everyone, I'm going to show you how I make compost with my kitchen scrap. First of all, I'm gonna take a bucket with a little bit of soil and then add my dry leaves. You can take yours from your garden or backyard and just spread it along in the bucket and add a little bit of soil. Here I have got the soil that I used for some other vegetables before. As you can see, it has got a lot of earthworms in it, which means it's fertile. And now I'm going to spread it and break it into smaller pieces. I'm not using any tools here so that my earthworm won't be split into half. And then I'm getting my kitchen scraps ready to pour down into the bucket. So for kitchen scrap, you can take any vegetable peels or tea that you have used. So here I have some cauliflower leaves, onions, and I'm going to add them. I like to collect my kitchen scraps like in a plastic bag so that I don't have to go back and forth from my kitchen every time I peel my vegetables, and I like to collect them. Sometimes I also used boiled potato as you can see in the video, and then spread it along in the bucket, cover the vegetables with soil. So here I am reusing my soil that I had previously used in another pot, and then I'm gonna cover it with more dry leaves. I like to use the soil that I had used before while I make my compost because it already has got earthworms in it. As you know, earthworm will help to decay the vegetables and make it more fertile. And then after adding some soil, I'm gonna put my kitchen scraps again and spread them, and again cover it with some soil, some more soil, and then put dry leaves on the top and cover it for maybe 1 or 2 months. I like to add a lot of dry leaves on top and then cover it again with some soil so that because I have got lots of birds that like to put their pick inside to eat the kitchen scraps, so I like to cover it very well before I leave the nature to do its job. So yeah, that's how I make my compost. Thank you for watching.